Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 1. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, we notice all sorts of methods are being employed to weaken our country, to disturb peace in our country. Efforts are being made to create a feeling among the tolerant and peaceful people of this country that may change the lifestyle here. We do not have to submit to separatists, we have to face them. We will face all of them with all our might who try to weaken our freedom, our security, and our future through threats, pressurization, and causing infights. We will not allow them to rise. We will not stop till terrorism completely eliminated or till the terrorists do not return to the country's mainstream giving up their arms. We do not have to give up our courage. We do not have to be fearful. Gandhiji had said, independence means fearlessness against death. A nation afraid of death cannot become free, and if it attains freedom, it cannot protect it. The words of Gandhiji should resound in our ears today, and we must face this challenge boldly. We must remember that we will not counter them for taking revenge. If we try to take revenge, then it will only serve the designs of the terrorists. Revenge would only bring victory to terrorism. If we use restraint, terrorism will weaken and ultimately get defeated. We must not fall in the trap of terrorism. Gandhiji had said that license can have an answer to violence. Only non-violence can be an answer to violence. India holds its head high in the world today. The voice of India is heard in the world with respect. Why? How is it that a country which was a slave poor till 50 years ago, and about which people used to think that it would never stand on its own and could not safeguard its freedom, now speaks out in such a strong voice? It has been possible because we moved forward, taking with us the concepts of Gandhiji, principles of Panditji, and the path shown by patriots. We have learned to speak fearlessly. We have learned not to submit under pressures. We have learned to move forward on the path of non-violence with courage and facing the challenges boldly. We launched a movement against the atomic weapons in the world during the last 50 years. Today, many powerful countries are attracted towards it, which is dangerous for the whole population of the universe. Stop.